today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys best way to earn high yield interest on your savings. So before now, I've been receiving this question from some of my fans and some of my friends asking me that, hey Mr. Radio, what's the best way to earn a steady profit out of my savings account? I think I'm able to know right now, if you have like, let's say you have like $10,000 in your bank account or you have $1 million or so, at the end of the year, the banking system, they won't give you any particular percentage. Sometimes they can even deduct from it, saying his bank charging fee, his card maintenance fee, and all those other shit, as you and I both know, because that's how the bank system work. So let's say you don't want to take the risk of buying stock or buying crypto, because you and I both know that sometimes you can buy particular stock. So maybe let's say 10 years time, 5 years time, that stock is no longer there, or that crypto, the price have went down, which means you have lost out of it. But sometimes it can still go up, you win. So let's say you don't want to take that risk, you just want to have gaining a particular percentage out of it. So this video is definitely for you. So if it's not for you, also you can also share it to your friends or share it on your wall. There might be other of your friends or people out there that are interested in it. So without wasting much of time, let us get into it. So the platform I will share with you guys today is called Germini. It's a crypto exchange platform. They also have a savings account also. Gemini was created back then in 2013 by those twins, which originally were the one that joined Mark Zuckerberg in the creation of Facebook, but later on they were zapped out by Mark. So they later went and created this platform, which is Gemini. It came live fully back then in October 2015. Since then, Gemini has been a really good platform, and a lot of people have been making a lot out of it. So what this platform does is that once you save your money with them, they lend the money out to people. But once they lend the money out, the money is still there. You can still withdraw it whenever you like. And the good thing about this exchange platform is that they also have their ATM card. Whenever you want to withdraw it, you don't have to do that stress of sending the money back to your account. You can just withdraw it directly from the card, which the platform will provide you with. So to do this is to log on to Gemini. Once you log to Gemini, you register with them. I'll put the link in the description section. So all you just have to do is to click on that link, you register. To register is very easy, guys. It's just like you setting up a Facebook account, just that way. But I think they have to ask for. So I think that they do ask for your ID. You just put in your ID, you verify, you do the verification and all of that. It's very easy. To do that, you can do that with your email or your mobile number and make sure to put your credit details, guys. You put all your credit details and that's it. On Gemini, they have their particular coin. That Gemini coin, one Gemini coin is equivalent to $1. It's a fixed rate, guys. The price doesn't change. The price doesn't go 99 today or 1.1 tomorrow. It's a fixed rate. It's $1. One Gemini coin is equivalent to $1. So which means that even if it's 10 years time, that money is still there. There's nothing like the coin price is going to go down. No, it's a fixed rate, guys. So once you send the money from your normal bank account to the platform, you convert it to that Gemini coin. Then you stake it. So the ROI that the platform pays is 8.05%. So let's say you have like $10,000 for example. At the end of the year, you'll be gaining $805. You see, guys, that's indeed huge. Because you also imagining you just leaving that $10,000 in your bank account. At the end of the year, you still made that same $10,000. Nothing we add. Nothing we add. Instead, they will remove from it. Or let's say you even have much. Let's say you have like $1 million, for example. Because most guys, as you don't know, there are a lot of gurus out there, a lot of guys out there that have more than $1 million in their account. Whereby that money said they don't need to fit at a particular time. It's just there sitting in their bank account. So instead of you just leaving that $1 million or that $100,000 in your bank account, it's much better you do it this way. So at least that way, let's say you have like $1 million, for example, in your account. At the end of the year, you'll be getting more than $80,000 every single year. So you see, that's a whole huge income entirely. That's a whole huge income. So you see, guys, for me, I think this is a better way of saving your money than leaving your money in the bank account. So thanks for watching, guys. If there's any part you don't understand about the process, you can equally leave it down in the comment section. I will always be there to answer you guys. Or also I can also create more video about it and show you the technical aspect of this video. But normally it's very easy, guys. Just follow the instructions I said. Go to the description section of this video, log on to the website, do your registration, send the money to the platform, then convert it into that convert it into the Gemini coin and stake it. You can stake it for as long as you like. You can stake it for 1 year, 2 years, as long as you like. Even if you stake it, doesn't matter. You can still withdraw the money out whenever you like. Even if you want to withdraw the money tomorrow, you can still remove it. You can still redeem it today and withdraw it. So it doesn't mean that if you stake it for 10 years that next 10 years you can't withdraw it. No, it's not that way. As you stake it, you can still pull it out whenever you like. So thanks for watching, guys. Please try to subscribe to Radio View to get more updates from us, and also support the channel by giving it a like and sharing it in all your social media platform, guys. So thanks for staying tuned. It's Rich of